Howdy, I'm Linda Purcell from Veggie Outlaws, and today we're making simple mashed potatoes. So hop on board and let's get cooking. The first thing we do, we have our 6 medium-sized russet potatoes, and we're going to peel and dice them. Place your diced potatoes in a pot filled and cover with water. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now we're going to cover with a lid. Place it on the stove top, bring it to a boil, and let it cook on medium-high heat until tender, about 15 minutes. Once ready, turn the heat off and drain the water. Now we're going to mash the potatoes. 1/3 of a cup of oat milk. 2 tablespoons of vegan margarine, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/8 of a teaspoon of white pepper, and it's just that easy. So if you liked what we cooked today, stir up that like button and subscribe for more delicious recipes.